was a brute. Amin was a dictator. Amin was a murderer. But the Attorney General that time stood up and said, no, one of our own, who must be released? Mr. Attorney General. The Honorable Museveni said we are orphans. Yesterday we had a General Assembly. The President addressed us almost with tears coming out of his eye. He showed us his baby, who is less than 1 year old. The baby is also in exile. We are in a quagmire right now. We can't hold elections because of multiple litigations and whatnot. We are in a total mess as the legal profession, as the bar. At one time there was even an attempted coup by Kiwanuka, the Secretary General. And I'm surprised when you get the Secretary, you read about Ojuba, who was Secretary of Uganda Society, who was defending his lawyers. He was not overthrowing his colleagues who were leading the bar. But we have Munaba, who stands the gun against the President of Uganda Society, who has a boot on his head. So we want to see the role of the Attorney General. I want to see the Honorable Attorney General Kiwanuka playing the role of Godfrey Ray of the Idi Amin days in releasing Aiguhugu, and we are causing the return of our President. So that now, the second last is about judicial activism. In Juba, they have mentioned here, the Honorable Kikiri here, when he served as Chief Magistrate. Juba was approached by Idi Amin because there was a vacuum after the expulsion of the Asians. He writes in this book, many of the magistrates were Ugandans of Indian origin. So when they were expelled, there was a vacuum. So they approached many lawyers to serve on temporary contract. That's how he served on a 6-month contract. Many of them accepted. So in Juba, even when he served as a magistrate, he remained an activist. He espoused and actually executed judicial activism. There are so many instances, I don't have time to count. Read the book. People buy the book. If you can't buy the one of 100,000, at least the one of 50,000. Get this book.